everybody. A while back we learned arpeggio number 1, which is a type of a broken chord. That means you play the notes of the chord one at a time instead of all together. So that pattern in 4/4 time was the bass note on the left hand, which we're playing C chord in C position. So I hit the bass note and then I hit the C with the right hand, the E, and back to the C. And if I was playing it as chord notes, I'd count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I was playing as eighth notes, it'd be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now we're going to learn arpeggio number 2, which is also in 4/4 time. And the only difference is, instead of coming back to that thumb, I'm going to go up to the pinky. Okay, and again, if I'm going to play it as quarter notes, I'd count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Eighth notes would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's do a couple chord progressions together to practice. First one is going to be all quarter notes, and that's going to be in the key of C. So we'll play a C major, which is our 1 chord. Then we'll play A minor, which is our 6 minor chord. Then we'll play the 2 chord, which is D minor. And then we'll play the 5 chord, which is the G major. And then we'll repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. D. 2, 3, 4. G. 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. A minor. 2, 3, 4. D minor. And G. Okay, next example is going to be in the key of G. We're going to play this as eighth notes. And we're going to play a measure of each chord. So we're in the G position now. So we'll play a measure of G major, which is our 1 chord. Then a measure of our 5 chord, which is the D major. Then the 6 minor, which is E minor. And then the 4 chord, which is a C major. Start on a G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D and 2 and 3 and 4 and E minor, 2 and 3 and 4 and C and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So last exercise is going to be a little bit trickier. We're going to play 2 chords per measure. So that means we'll be changing chords on counts 1 and 3, and each chord will get 4 eighth notes. We'll play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And we're going to do something a little different. We're going to play all the chords in their root position. So it'll be 2 counts of A minor, 2 counts of G, 2 counts of F, 2 counts of E minor, 2 counts D minor, 2 counts C, 2 counts D minor, back to E minor. Ready? 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 4 and. Alright, and then we're going to finish it with a simple song called This Land Is Your Land by Woodie Guthrie. We may have already done this in the past, I can't remember. So we're going to do it in the key of G. We're going to count this as quarter notes. This is a different chord progression for us. It's going to be in the key of G, like I said, but we start out on the 4 chord, which is the C, and then we go back to the 1 chord, G major, then we go to the 5 chord, D major, or sometimes D7, back to the G, and then we do again the 4, the 1, the 5, back to the 1. You may also hear a G7, which we did before. Instead of playing, you'll hit that F natural note. This sounds the same on the chorus or verse, so we're just going to play the chorus. There's 3 pickup notes, so we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This land is, and then it goes into the C chord. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. Just want to do a little something fancy on the end there. After I finished, I had my foot on my sustain pedal. I lift off the left hand and finish on that high G note. So it kind of completes the arpeggio a little bit more. So that is arpeggio number 2 in 4/4 time. Hope you're enjoying this. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.